Are you having trouble finding a Boshart control part for your pump? Do you need help with selection and size? We at Pump Products are here to give you the perfect solution for your pump. Selecting the correct replacement part is crucial for safe and efficient pump performance. Pump Products has a complete inventory of pump parts straight from the manufacturer so that you can have the right plumbing solution. The Boshart Pump Parts and Repair Kits comprise 301 stainless steel clamps with 305 stainless steel screw, self-clamping cable guard, HSK Series Fast Recovery 4-wire heat shrink kit, all-weather pipe wrap tape, solid brass tank tee, and bronze pitless adapter. We at Pump Products aim to give you the exact fit required for your pump. You can browse through our Boshart control catalog online and select the pump part that's appropriate for your pump. Features and specificities of each pump part are explained in detail so that you have no doubts at all regarding your selection. Pump Products is a leading Boshart Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Boshart Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.